guys ready?
I love this coffee. Some good coffee. We're gonna talk about that in a minute.
All right. Officer, you need some coffee for your day? Giving away free cold brew.
I'd feel a lot safer if you had some coffee.
I'm here at Kaldi's Coffee with Andrew McCaslin. We're gonna brew up a perfect cup of coffee. Now, Andrew, why is it important to measure out your grounds?
Well, one, you're gonna get precision and accuracy. Two, you're gonna get much more consistent results, meaning every time you brew that cup of coffee, it's gonna taste great no matter what. And then the last is if you're like me and you like to experiment with your coffee, this allows you to kind of have a little more fun with it.
Now we wait.
Now you wait.
Cup.
Yes. Yeah, this coffee actually is gonna be really fruity, and it's gonna have some of the, almost like a savory characteristic as well. Should be just really sweet, nice red fruit, and finish with some milk chocolate.
Yeah, no, I like that a lot. So I think we gotta share this with the rest of the world. So we're gonna go to one of your locations, one of the Kaldi's coffee locations, and we're gonna give away 100 free lattes on the street just to make someone's day.
That sounds perfect.
All right, you wanna help us with that?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do it.
Out. There it is.
All right.
Push it in and hold it. Straight down, just like that. You're done.
All right,
Pull
start
down.
my shot.
Right here. Yeah. Then when you see the number 40, push down on this lever again.
Nervous. I don't wanna screw this up.
And you'll stop your shot.
All right, well, I went over a little bit. Ooh. You guys ready?
I love this coffee. Some good coffee. We're gonna talk about that in a minute.
All right.
Chief of Police, you a punk, and I'm calling you a punk. The police work for me.
You've never had a cold brew coffee?
Never had a cold brew coffee.
Do you like coffee?
Yeah, I love a coffee.
You wanna try it? Try it. If you've never had it, I gotta see you taste it.
That is good, that's refreshing.
You like that?
I like that a lot.
Is that gonna help your day?
Very much so.
All right.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, absolutely. You want free cold brew? Yeah. Just trying to make people's day. Have a good day. Just giving away free coffee. You want a free coffee? There you go. Have a good day.
Iced coffee.
Yeah, enjoy your day. There you go. There you go. Need a free cold brew today? No? Okay. You two gentlemen need a cold brew coffee? Nope. Nope. Need a cold brew coffee? Cold brew coffee. On your way. Oh, didn't hear me. Oh, yeah. Sir, do you like cold brew coffee? Sometimes you just don't exist as a person. There you go. You like cold brew?
Yeah, I love
Enjoy it, man.
Thank you
Have
very
a
much.
good day. Hey, this guy's got his eye on a free cold brew.
Yes. This is
Where are you
awesome.
headed? It looks like you got a child waiting.
Yes, she's crying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Thank
for
you
you
so
then,
much.
so
I
you can
appreciate it.
take the edge off there a little bit.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you
Thank
too.
You.
Yeah, it's free. I'm just trying to
thank
give
you.
people a little pick me up for their day.
Thanks,
That's it.
thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you very
Yeah, have a good day.
All right, cool. Thank you.
You got it.
Yeah.
There it is.
you.
Yeah, absolutely. Just trying to
so
get your
much.
day started on the right foot.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Can I get creamer in
absolutely.
there?
What's that?
Can I get creamer in there?
Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want a free cold brew coffee? Free cold brew? Sir, you want a free cold brew coffee? No, all right. Yeah? You need free coffee then, right? Cold brew from Kaldi's? No. Not a coffee guy? All right.
Thank
Okay,
you so
yeah,
much.
absolutely.
Okay.
You two have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you. Okay.
They're gonna have a pep in their step today, all day. Those ladies are gonna work a little bit harder. Get them started on the right foot.
That'll make our day.
Yeah?
That's
Absolutely.
what we needed. Thank
Really?
you
Where are you
so
headed?
We're gonna go to Whole
From the
Foods.
hospital.
We're coming from the hospital.
Oh, well.
Yeah, an
I
unexpected
hope that.
broken
This is a
leg.
nice
Oh,
surprise.
no.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
absolutely.
Thank you.
Enjoy your
Thank
day.
you
Oh,
so much.
you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys. I got one cold brew left. One free cold brew. This is it. We've given away a lot today. You want it?
Sure.
We're just trying to make people's day. So
awesome. Thank you so
yeah,
much.
absolutely. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
All right. We did it. I'm all out of coffee, so that means it's time to wrap it up. I feel like we improved the world a little bit today. People were pretty happy with their coffee. Some people weren't coffee drinkers, that's fine, but just want to remind you to live thoughtfully and maybe say good morning to somebody, give them a free coffee. Watch some more videos of Matt and I. We're gonna keep trying to improve the world just a little bit. Sometimes you just don't exist as a person. Forgot to say Andrew. Got to mention Andrew. You got hit by a bus!
This is all my life. Flash before those eyes.